Hello friends, I am Sagar from theRankMe.com. So in today's video, we will see how you can create your YouTube channel with a laptop or your desktop. This video is divided into 5 or 6 parts. First, we're gonna see how you can create your YouTube channel account. Then we're gonna see how you can customize your YouTube channel like logo, intro, description and other things. At last, we're gonna see some SEO tools. So let's start without spoiling the time. So just open any website browser. In this video, I'm going to use Opera browser and Chrome browser. Now open youtube.com and click on the sign in button and create an account. And then click on the create a channel and create a channel. Now we need to give the name of our YouTube channel, so search for a good name. I will give you the website link in the description. Okay, I got it. Our channel name is Simulation Game. I will give you the website link in the description, so just open it and create your description art. And then click on the create and continue button. Now open a new website for making our YouTube logo. Just choose your logo icon and make it awesome. To download this logo, just click on the save and download button and submit. Then we need to give our Gmail account or email account. So submit your email account and click on the download button. Now we need to resize this image for YouTube, so just open this website. The website link is also in the description, so just open it. And now open the logo image in this website and follow my steps. Click on the edit button and then click on the free transform button. And just save this and download this image. Go to the YouTube tab and upload this image. Now I'm gonna show you how you can make your YouTube cover. So just download this image. I'm gonna give you this image link in the description. So just download it. So now we need a copyright free image. So for that, open a new website, name is unsplash.com. So now just download an image according to you. Now we need to upload this image as a YouTube cover image. So just upload it. Now upload video watermark image and now publish this. Open this website, link in the description, and search for a good template. In this video, I am going to use this template. First we need a copyright free music, so just download a copyright free music and upload it. YouTube give also us a copyright free music. Click on the eyes button and then click on the play button to see a preview of the video. Now click on the 3D object button and just change text into your YouTube channel name. Download this video by clicking on the download button. Now it's time to make some awesome. So let's open a new tab and search for Chrome Store and then search for TubeBuddy. We need Chrome browser for this. Click on Add to Chrome button. After that, you see new features in YouTube. I am just signed in with the Google account. With this tool, you can also see trending keywords and more stuff things. Here you can see the trending topics and trending keywords. There are other tool, name is Jangra. I will give you the link in the description, so just open this and create an account. And now search for any keyword. It gives you the full analytics of any keyword.